Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are talking about XRP and more importantly the XRP Ledger automated market maker. Now we spoke about the AMM before, but lack of usage and returns were underwhelming. Now a year later, checking in, has that changed? Let's find out. Because whether it's a bull or bear market, the AMM is something you should be knowledgeable about and can profit off in any market condition. So if you hold XRP or just enjoy watching the XRP videos, be sure to leave a like down below. And with that said, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so a quick reminder for every video that we make that this is not financial advice and for entertainment purposes only. Nothing in cryptocurrency is guaranteed and you could lose all of your money. Stay safe and do your own research. Now, since March 2024, when the AMM first came about, there's a lot of new XRP investors. I think generally most people have forgotten about the AMM and what it's all about. So a quick little recap is in order. It was first proposed back in 2022 with the aim of bringing decentralized liquidity pools to the XRP ledger. And unlike other Ethereum-based automated market makers, it's natively integrated into the XRP ledger for fast transactions and low cost. And the key features which separated the XRP Ledger AMM from other AMMs were the continuous liquidity pool. So users deposit assets into pools to facilitate trades without traditional order books. Also, single-sided liquidity provision. So unlike Uniswap, liquidity providers could contribute one asset instead of two. And finally, the auction mechanism claw that feature. So it was launched in March 2024 after rigorous testing, but expectations were a lot different to reality. There was low trading volume, low yield, low APY, and on top of that, low and permanent loss protection. And it was presented as this easy, sit back, relax, passive income opportunity, but it's not staking your XRP or earning passive income. You are providing liquidity to the AMM and allowing others to trade using your assets, and in return, you receive a portion of the trading fees. So here we can see if someone swaps say $100 in the pool, the fee is 1%. Then the $1 is distributed among liquidity providers. So there's always two underlying assets. So your position just grows over time. Now on to the main point of this video. Have the returns improved? And if so, why? Yes, they have improved. Just looking at the first ledger pools available, we can see the yield is a lot higher than it was back in March 2024. Why is this? Well, a big reason being the fees have been reduced. Here we can see back in January on the XRP RLUSD pool, nearly 1% fee. Typically with AMMs it's 0.3% and on centralized exchanges 0.1%. Anything higher is going to deter users and reduce volume. Currently, it is around 0.23%. On top of that, on the First Ledger platform, you can also see that there's no fees on AMM deposits, withdrawals, or pool fee voting. And as VET states here, when you reduce the pool fees, you attract volume, generate yield, and attract more liquidity. And you can see there the yield is 21%. That's not on a weekly or monthly, that's an annual basis, and it changes every single day based on the trading volume and liquidity in the pool. So there's really no guarantees at all. And I view this as a separate investment to my XRP holdings. I would never take from my XRP holdings, put it into the AMM. I have separate funds for this. Also, when it comes to APY, it is important, but you should be focusing on the assets in the liquidity pool. Right, the higher you go, you can see APYs in the 100, 200%, but it's meme coins and XRP. I personally would not want to risk that at all. And RLUSD and XRP is a great pair because there's low impermanent loss, right? RLUSD is a stable coin, reducing volatility. Also, XRP and XLM is a great pair because they pretty much follow the exact same price action. There's also deep liquidity. XRP is the most traded asset on the XRP ledger, and there's higher fee potential, right? The XRP ledger automated market maker is growing in volume and liquidity, and just global adoption of RLUSD, the stablecoin. Right? If you remember, the ex-Ripple employee Bob Way stated that automated market makers absent a stablecoin are not really compelling. We now have RLUSD, and Ripple projected RLUSD to be a top 5 stablecoin by the end of the year. If that were to occur right now, that would be a 10x from the actual current market cap it has, and top 5 all cryptos would be insane. But just a couple of days ago, they minted 25% of the total supply in one go on Ethereum. When that comes to the XRP ledger, it will be insane. So how much could you actually make with the AMM? Well, it depends on the liquidity, the fees, and the volume, but how we've calculated it in the past, we multiply the volume with the pool fee, then with the percentage of what you own in that pool. So for example, XRP RLUSD, let's say the fee is 0.2% and you own 5% of that pool. So someone swaps $40,000 worth of XRP to RLUSD, 0.2% of 40,000 is 80. You now own 5% of that pool, which is $4, and that's added to your position. So using that same format on one of the pools available being RLUSD XRP, the fee was 0.23%, total via lot 3.7 million, 24-hour volume 482,000, my liquidity $500 worth of XRP and $500 worth of RLUSD reaching 1K, and the daily rewards would have been around 30 cents. So if that was repeated for the same every single day, same fees, same liquidity, same total value locked, that would have been $109.50. So around 10.95% APY. And to me, that is pretty good. We can also see in other days the 24-hour volume was higher in the millions, 1.1, 1.2, 1.4 million. And the chart of RLUSD XRP is growing by the day. I also done this with the Core XRP pair, and we can see the APR is slightly higher. But when it comes to these other pairs like Core XRP, Solo XRP, there is more volatility, which increases the risk of impermanent loss. There's lower liquidity, which means there's higher slippage. So you're rewarded with higher rewards with the knowledge that these risks are in play. Now on to the final question, is it worth it? In my opinion, yes. Now remember back in previous videos, I always said most XRP holders will be better off just holding XRP. And I was correct because XRP increased rapidly from March 2024 to where we are right now, especially when you take into consideration what impermanent loss is. So if you hold 1,000 worth of liquidity in XRP USDT, 500 XRP and 500 USDT, the price of XRP increases relative to USDT, and the AMM rebalances the pool, maintaining its 50-50 value. So if XRP increases, it swaps XRP into USDT. And at the end of it, when you withdraw your $1,000, you're actually probably better off just holding XRP in the first place. But the landscape has changed. We now have RLUSD, lower fees, growing liquidity, and growing volume. I really do think it is just the beginning for the AMM. I do believe every XRP holder should be interested in what is going on. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel, because this was just an introduction video to get back into it, remind everyone of the XRP Ledger Automated Market Maker. We're going to do a tutorial videos on how to actually set up a wallet and actually participate in these pools, and I will use my own funds doing that as well. So that is going to be pretty much it for today's video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.